Hello guys, this is Grims TV 566. Today, I killing pumpkin soldier to get bag of sweet or bag of sweet. I'm here in Bar City because this is so many pumpkin soldier compared in outside. I want to kill pumpkin soldier to get bag of sweet. When you open the bag of sweet, you can get pumpkin helmet, pumpkin shield, pumpkin sword, and pumpkin pet like this, my pamlet. New update. This event have three new enemies. First, pumpkin soldier. Second, pumpkin elite, and the third is the boss, pumpkin. The pumpkin is random summon. You can see everywhere the pumpkin boss. Like the pumpkin soldier. It's random. Look guys, I have 6 bag of sweet and 1 bag of sweet. Here, I collect them because I want it. So many people here in Bar City. I use my phone. This is cool Halloween event in Cosar. New enemy, new things, new pet, new skin. I'm not lucky to get any pumpkin armor. Here, 7. Here, like this guy. He's so lucky because he got pumpkin sword, pumpkin helmet, and pumpkin shield, and pumpkin pet, pamlet. So lucky guys, no? I'm staying here only because there are 2 tank soldiers in here. Look my pet pamlet. It's level 40 now. Now I'm here in World 10 guys. If you want to play with me, come. But I'm always playing in World 1. That's my favorite world. guys, I see pumpkin elite guys. One pumpkin elite, level 70. Use spear. Now I kill. Yeah, I kill one again. I get ball of fruit. So many players here in Bark City. All high levels in here. Level 80 plus up is here. Look, I have 9 in one seat. For now guys, this is all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you. I hope you enjoy for watching this video guys. Thank you.